Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off background app refresh on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down for a bit and hit on General, and right here you can easily find Background App Refresh option. Just get into it. Right there at the very top of the screen you can tap at Background App Refresh, and there you can, if you want, completely toggle it off. Now it's set to Wi-Fi, so apps can use Wi-Fi to update their content while on the background. You can hit right here at off to completely toggle off background app refresh, or you can hit at Wi-Fi or even Wi-Fi and cellular data. I don't want my device to be able to use cellular data for background app refresh, so I'm gonna select Wi-Fi. Now I can hit at back key, and right there at that list I can customize background app refresh settings for each particular app. So in that simple way, by toggling off or on that switchers, I can customize background app refresh settings. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.